Hello wildlife, I'm here to explain this locating game birds homework assignment that we've prepared for you. So your first step of this assignment is to copy the presentation and add your name to the title right up here. Then we want you to pick 15 of the 24 game birds and find their locations in the United States and their habitat. So if you go to the Game Birds PowerPoint that is also found on your weekly plan, you'll see there's 25 slides because there's a title page. So we're asking you to pick 15 of those, and then you're going to find their locations and their habitat. So I'm going to show you what that looks like really quickly. So if you have Game Bird 1 right here, and if I go to the slides, I'm going to go with the wood duck. You can feel free to also include this one. So if I click here, I put the wood duck, and then I need a location and habitat image. So if I go to wood duck location into my Google search here, if I click images over here, it should come up with a map that's pretty much looks like this. Make sure the picture that you pick has like some indicator that it's actually talking about the wood duck, because it could be just somewhere in the web page that it links it to that. So this one says wood duck and it says I'm good. The year round is going to be that purple that shows where they are all the time. When they're breeding, they'll be in the orange area, and then if they're wintering, in the blue area. So if I copy this image and go back to our presentation, slap it on that slide right there like that. We want to be below the images, right? And then I need a habitat picture. So if I come back to the same search and I change it to habitat, for the wood duck, I'm going to get a bunch of woody areas, which makes sense, right? Lots of lakes, water, and you can kind of gather that from the image. I like this one here. So I'm going to go ahead, also slap that on. Cool, and I have my images of the wood duck location and habitat. So once I do that for all of my 15 out of the 24 game birds, I'll get to these conclusion questions at the end here. First off, what was something you were surprised to learn after doing this assignment? Put your answer here. That should relate hopefully back to like where something's located or what something's habitat looks like. Try and relate it to the information you actually gathered. And what is something you're still curious about or would want to learn more about? That's totally up to you. Again, relate it somewhat to this assignment and you'll be good to go. Let's see. Make sure you answer your conclusion questions, and then you're going to turn it into the appropriate form on the weekly plan. So those are your instructions for locating game birds. Good luck. Let us know if you have any questions.